Take a ride in the 2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.